Welcome to Piano for All, brought to you by Show House Academy. Kamala Musandile Ngubane, aka TKO. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna be your facilitator for a lesson namhlanje. Previously, in the previous lessons, specifically lesson edlule besikhulume ngokwakha ama-chords based off a particular scale, right? Besenze ama-chords based on C major, right? Just a short, quick recap. Besithe ama-chords akhiwe on the tonic, nakwi perfect fourth and perfect fifth asinika ama-chords are major, nyakhumbula, and then ama-chords based on the second, third, sixth, and seventh, or and the sixth, so 2, 3, 6. Ama-chords are built based on those scale degrees azoba ama minor, and then the seventh izoba yini, it diminished. And I also showed you why A major amanye, why others are minor, and why the seventh one is diminished. All right, but that was just in a scale of C major. So today I'm gonna show you the same procedure for other scales, especially ama scales lawa we are involved ama notes amnyama, because I know it's easy on the C major scale to create your major and minor chords because you're using all the white notes. But then question is, what happens when you're dealing with black notes? All right, so we just gotta choose randomly maybe 2 or 3 scales that I'll show you how to create chords based off of that scale. So yeah, so randomly let's choose a key B flat. Let's choose B flat. B flat now, kumbol now. Okay, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, flat. Okay, now kumbuluta another name for B flat ubani, A sharp. All right, but again for now, so biza ngo B flat. Okay, so what's the scale of B flat? Na ikumbuli formula yetu, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So okay, let's do that. So it's tone, okay, sorry, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So that's our scale. It's a B flat. All right, so it means u1 wethu lo, u2, u3, u4, u5, u6, u7, no 8. All right, so that's what a B flat major scale looks like. All right, now ngokwama scale degrees, now khumula ama scale degrees. Scale degree number 1, scale degree number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, octave, or mothando ngathi 8. So those scale degrees niyakhumbula ukuthi beswaphile amagama. The first one ngame besitheni tonic, second one is a supertonic, the third is the median, the fourth predominant or subdominant, the fifth is the dominant, the sixth is the submediant, the seventh is the leading tone, which takes us back home. All right, octave. All right, now umukhumbula kahle ke, so sithe u1 the tonic, a perfect fourth and a perfect fifth, they will give us major chords, or ama chords based on these scale degrees, u1, u4, and u5 azoba major, and then u2, u3, u6 azosinika ama minor, and then u7 uzosinika a diminished triad. All right, so let's try and build this is more like an exercise to show you how to build these chords based on other scales. All right, so azishe ke ake siqale ke ku1, so qale senze u1, u4, no5 because uzosinika ama major, and then we move on to 2 and 3 and 6, and then we senze 7. I'm gonna move very quickly on this one, okay? Please try and keep up with me. All right, so now tonic here too, or root, your scale, whatever. So now we're gonna build a major triad. Nakumbuli major triad. It's a major third interval, ilandelwa I minor third interval, and then in major third interval sithe nama semitones awu 4, and then in minor third interval nama semitones amangaki awu 3. So let's do it. Major third interval. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a major. This is a major third interval, and then sesokwakha a minor third interval. 1, 2, 3 semitones, which gives us a minor third interval. So we have a major third interval, minor third interval. If you play them together, they give us a major triad. All right. And then another way of creating it, Nyakumbula. Major third interval, perfect fifth interval. Play them together, you get major third. A major triad. All right. Perfect fifth in ama semitones amangaki 7. Let's confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So 7 semitones is a perfect fifth. 4 semitones is a major third. Play all of them together, you get a major triad. Okay, let's go to the fourth. Now I'm gonna move really quick. 4 semitones. Right? And then 3 semitones. That's our major triad. Everyone? Notice ukuthi they belong naturally within the scale of B flat. Wonke lama notes asebenza la nala nagleso yakha next belong to the scale of B flat. Alright? Now, asake u5, major third interval. Right? Minor third interval. Alright, so now we have a chord AQI tonic, a chord AQI perfect fourth, ne? And then we have a chord AQI perfect fifth. Right. So here's a quick exercise ongazamugenza so that you don't forget. Kuwo wonke ama scales. Mawusuqedile, you could start playing 1, 4, 5. 1, 1, 4, so that you remember them. All right, you can do your exercise in every scale. 1, 4, 5, 1, 1, 4, 5, 1, 1, 4, 5, 1. All right. Okay, so we've done 1, 4, and 5. Now we're gonna do 2, no 3, no 6. All right, let's do 2. We're gonna first create a major triad. 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives us a major third interval. And then we must now create a minor third interval. 1, 2, 3. So we have this chord. But now you will notice which note does not belong within the key of B flat. It's this one. Leli note alikho ku key wa B flat. Alright. So sekumele sinegotiate nalo-ke manje, because this is C major. But in a key of B flat, in a key of B flat major, C is supposed to be minor because scale degree number 2. Now, scale degree number 2 and 3 and 6 kumele babe ama minor. So this cannot be a major triad. So now we must negotiate and flatten the third. Now we have minor triad. You see? So that's the chord number 2, or chord C in the key of B flat. Right? Now asake a chord based off of scale degree number 3. Scale degree number 3 in the key of B flat is D. Right? So you're gonna create a major triad. 2, 3, 4. Right? And then 3 semitones. 1, 2, 3. So this is our triad. Yeah, D. Right. Now, as you can see again, there's one note that does not belong in the key of B flat. Which note is that? It's this one. That's now F sharp in the key of B flat. So now we must negotiate with this note so that we use our note Okay, ama-notes azofitha within scale sa B flat. All right, so instead of u-3 weights ube kanje uzoba kanje. So this is a chord of D minor. Yabo? D minor. Right? And then let's go to scale degree number 6, which is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, this is our submediant scale degree. And sesiyazi ukuthi scale degree number 6, the submediant, so uzoskiphela i-chord A minor. All right, let's create first a major triad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and then 1, 2, 3. We have a major triad. But now, leli note leli, B natural, awukho in a scale of B flat. So sekufast negotiate naye ukuthi, okay, you know what, dude, you gotta be a minor. So we're gonna take it from here and flatten it to this note. So now we have those. All right. So we've done all the chords in the scale of B flat except for number 7. Scale based on the scale degree number 7, which is our leading tone. But before let's just listen to these chords that we have created. We have done 1 major, ne? 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 is major, 6 is minor. Now we're gonna create number 7, scale degree number 7, which is our leading tone. Uzosakhela yena a diminished triad. Let's see how that comes about. Right, so soqala la, create a major triad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and then 1, 2, 3. Now we have a major triad. Major triad there, A. Right, but then A ngobu scale degree number 7 in the key of B flat, kumele abe diminished triad. And seniyazi ukuthi diminished triad injani, ino flat 3 and flat 5. It means lo number 3 lo nalo 5 kumele babe flat. And yakhumbula ukuthi sema flat nisha inote ulenza njani, we'll move it down by a half step. So you're gonna down a half step, down a half step. Now so we have a diminished triad. So this is A diminished. All right. Now, anything that I did not mention previously was that in a major triad, yakhumbula besi ne major third interval ilandelwa I minor third interval. But in a minor triad, we had a minor interval ilandelwa I major interval, major third interval. But maybe diminished, we have a minor interval ilandelwa I minor interval, right? Okay, so that's it. That's B flat major with all its chords. So it's all right. So ukuzijwayeza nje ukwadlala ama-chords in that particular key, it'll help you a lot so that you remember them in terms of what they look like. All right. There is a video engizoyi-uploada very soon ezolandela kuwona lawo esiwenza manje, where we're doing all these exercises azonisiza ukuthi nikhumbule kwamanje. Just make sure the theory sticks in, and then I will try and cement it and reinforce it through AMA exercises. All right. So yeah, that's B flat. I'm tempted to do another key. All right, maybe we'll do it in a separate video so that these ones azoba, you know. All right, let's do another video.